15 more seconds. Pre-market high 25,241. It's setting up, so we're gonna have an elevated position on this Monday. If it does continue onto the upside, it is not going to the upside. Okay, back to our small position size then. I'm slightly confused. You know what? Puts it is, gotta trust the opening range break. And one more. Okay, we can take one more off here. If it comes below 10%, we're gonna take everything off. Okay, beautiful win. Beautiful win. Let's take a look at Reddit. Let's see what's happening. Oh man, it's just dumping. Yeah, I don't want to be a part of this. Is this shaking me out? A little bit. It is shaking me out a little bit. Everything is so strong, and then everything is so strong, and then you have Reddit just dumping. Did AMD freeze, or is it just that, or is it just still going? Okay. Well, then prior bar highs. Okay, 200. Let's see if it's gonna bounce. It's Friday's highs. Okay, we're at Friday's highs right here. We are at Friday's highs. Let's see what we're gonna do. I want to see what Reddit's gonna do here. That's what I want to see. No, damn it. Damn it. Yeah, it's gone. Let's check on AMD. Let's see if it wants to bounce. Okay. $5. $100. The risk reward didn't make sense, so I'm just gonna not trade it. Okay, here we go again. AMD. Here we'll go 100 at 200. Damn it again. Holding strong. Ooh, let's see what that's gonna do. 200 yet, just one time, and then it did a quick, really fast bounce to 187. So that was a quick $180 if I was able to get a position, but I wasn't. Oh, it's bouncing again. Oh, back down we go. Come on, come on. Okay, okay, damn it, bounce again. Yes. Okay, we're in 200. See if we can. 199 is gonna be my stop loss. I just like what's happening here. So this is a quick scalp, in and out. In and out. Come on, come on, you can go higher than that. Come on, you can go higher than that. Yeah, there we go. Come on, come on. Okay, let's check out AMD. I already have what I'm looking for there. Ah, perfect. Let's see. Current low of days. It's gonna sell off. Yes, come on. Damn it, it's bouncing. Oh my god, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. 200 bounce level. 200 bounce level. Alright. Scalping it like a hawk. Just gonna keep waiting for that. Have AMD also on the radar for a bounce level. In this late stage bull market breakout, you buy all of the dips. Buy all of the dips. Unless you have signs like a major news catalyst or you have the leading sectors rolling over like Nvidia and Palantir. Otherwise, you gotta keep buying the dips. I think, let's see, can we get a dip buying here? I just don't like how weak this is. I just don't like how weak this is. That's the only thing though, because it's not touching the 2 standard deviation Bollinger Bands. Shout out to Lance for this. It's just a little too weak for me. Oh, do I have another thing? Where's my other position? Oh, 6. Oh, okay. No worries. I can close this. I can close that. Okay, back to the mean. Oh man, Reddit is just pretty draining. This looks like it wants to come back down again. Another leg down. The opportunity was to short here. Oh, 15 minutes has passed. I didn't know. Yeah, we're setting up for another rollover. Let me just really quickly. I know Lance doesn't like to use Fibonacci, but okay, it's around here. The next rollover, I'm gonna enter in another position. For the Qs. Yep, which is probably right now. I'll enter in 4. Okay, this is the orb shorts. Stop loss is here at the 21 moving average. Stop loss is at the 21 moving average. Okay, nope. Oh, that's not the candle I like to see. Yep, all out. All out. Okay, one loss down, one more to go. Let's jot all the notes down. Let's check if Reddit wants to bounce, AMD wants to bounce. Okay, so volatility is contracting. Volatility is contracting a little bit, so this looks like where it wants to hang out. was waiting for. No, it still made lower lows on the 1 minute. I can't buy that. Look out for this. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Say 2 110. Screw that. Okay, guys, I'm done for the day. 2 losses. That was an idiot loss from me up for AMD. I was scalping really nice and then decided to, I don't know, I just wanted to buy. It was just riding this. I should have just scaled with it. Guys, I'm done for the day. Debating whether or not to close my Reddit position. That is the key. Now it decides to bounce. I would have not been able to hold it all the way down here. That's insane. Writing it down would have been much easier. Because I was here at when was I by 53? There is just no way. And it's still going down, so 53. But I will agree that I will say that that last trade I did that made me negative for the day was a prediction. So good thing I just called it. I was like, 210 was probably my limit, even though it clearly on the left side of the week. Absolutely clearly. There's just no way I should have been a part of that. Right now, if I bought it here now at 10 o'clock, 959. That's how. Okay, that's decent. That's much more decent. Okay, Reddit is doing some Reddit things. We caught that nice 200 bounce right here. Now it's okay. Let's check what Baba's doing. I did dollar cost average all the way. I think 200 would be a nice move to take my profits on. I don't like that chart at all. Not clean. Not clean. Yeah, I should have not. The easiest trade for me today, I did have two winners, the Reddit trade and the opening bell drive. I will say for me, for my personality and for just my style, the opening bell drive was just completely brainless. I just pressed the button, I just waited, and I just took profits. Versus on the opening bell drive, we have one candle. We did have one candle, right? We had to wait for it to kind of reclaim the level and then it started to rip. Sure, fine. Yeah, so like this was the first bounce. So if I bought here and then it went to $2, so buying here and waiting kind of these 4 minutes. Sure, fine. Okay, Reddit is fully rotated, and now let's see if it can get back to where it was before. Yeah, but I am done for the day. I used up all my bullets. I don't want to overtrade. I do think I'm negative for the day. Do you think I'm negative for the day? That's quite alright. That's quite alright. But guys, thank you for tuning in for this live stream. Like, comment, subscribe. It'll help out the channel. And